Today is the opening of XYZ's newest showroom here in Livingston in Scotland. And judging by the numbers they've already had through the door today, it looks like it's a pretty good move.
XYZ Machine Tools have set up this facility in Livingston. Things have steadily been building in Scotland, and having a showroom here allows us to better support customers in the local area. You've probably seen from today that a lot of customers like to still come and see a physical machine, see it cutting, see a bit of the programming, and I think being able to see that is something that gives people a bit of confidence, especially if they're planning on investing a lot of money in a machine tool. So in the showroom here we've got a range of the Proton lace, we've got some of the Proto-Track bed mills as well, we've got one of the HT VMCs, one of the LR VMCs to show both options. We've also got one of the live tool and turning centres so that we can show companies the benefits of a turning centre as well as with a live tooling option. And as things go on, we may well add to the range here as well.
Alchemy CNC Engineering Limited.
Okay, and what you said some really good things about XYZ. Just re-say them again.
It's the ease of use. You know, my guys love programming them. They love using them. The repeatability is great.
What models have you got? Is it turning?
We've got a CT65, just straight turning, 2-axis. We've got a TC400. We put a big 15-inch chuck on that, so we can sort of grab some of the bigger billets.
What about reliability?
Great, honestly, we have no problems with it at all. You know,
holding tolerances. I mean, what are you making?
We do a lot of valve parts for oil industry, a lot of Inconels and super duplexes, things like that. We tight tolerance bores, plus or minus like 025, things like that. And
what does it mean to you to have this facility here on your doorstep?
Well, you know what, for today, just us coming through, we had some programming issues. So just to come through and speak to like the apps guys and just clear them up, which they done immediately, we just got everything cleared up straight away. So we're going to go back to the workshop now and just get going with some of the issues we had before.
So even having the showroom here is not just about coming for demonstrations, it's all about the support as well. XYZ kind of prides itself on the backup and the after sales support, so whether you've got programming issues, programming questions, you can carry out your training here. All machines come with free training, the number of days depending on the complexity of the machine, so whether you've got queries or you've already got one of our machines and you're struggling with the programming, here's the sort of place where you can learn how to fix those issues.
Nadia, you've been here just a few hours today, haven't you? Tell us about your experience, because you're not an XYZ user, you've never used their machines before. Tell us what you have seen today and what you've learnt.
So I have never used a Siemens controller, and most XYZ machines like this one do use Siemens control. And today I just basically got shown around a little bit on this one, and then I got the chance to play around with it by myself for, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes, and I managed to do a whole program on it quite easily. Well, I feel like if I got one of these today, I could do milling on it straight away.
Yeah, today's been amazing. We've had dozens of companies coming through the doors, loads of inquiries. We've even sold machines on the day, and I think it's a good time to be opening a showroom, and it seems that the customers think so as well.
So if you're looking for manufacturing solutions, you can also visit this facility here in Livingston in Scotland. Contact XYZ by visiting their website at xyzmachinetools.com.